Hi everyone, today I am going to be trying to take out the Rainbow High eyes. I've seen a couple people make tutorials and they were either just really confusing or too much. So today I'm going to be doing my own tutorial and trying to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so first off, the materials you're going to need is the doll, of course. I tied mine's hair back in like this little like ribbon thing. You don't have to. I did just because it kept getting in her eyelashes, so I did that. And then you're going to need something to microwave water in. And then you're going to want like a plastic like sandwich baggie thing. Hold on. Okay, so I just got like this hefty bag. You want it to be a bag like this, like, you know, not like a Walmart bag or anything like that. You just want to be able to have your doll fit in here. So the first step we're going to do is you're wanting to fill whatever you're going to be microwaving water with up. You want to make sure that her full head can fit in whatever container or cup that you're using to microwave the water. Okay, so I filled mine up. You can't see it, but like a little bit over, this is like a 2 cup, so a little bit over a cup, and I'm gonna microwave it for like 3 minutes. While that's microwaving, you're gonna want to take your bag, you're gonna want to open it, and then you're gonna want to make sure that your doll's hair is out of her eyelashes and everything, and you're gonna want to take the doll and put her in the bag, probably like just like this. You know, have her in the bag like this. So this way, when you dunk her in the water, she's not going to get all wet and anything like that. You're not going to end up boil washing or straightening the hair. And, you know, you're going to have a dry doll when you take her out. Okay, and once you're done, so now what you're going to do is like I said, you want your doll fully in the bag. You want her head just in the corner. What you're going to do is take her and let her set in the water with her head fully submerged like this for, I guess, however long you think it's like fine to. I'm probably gonna let her set in here for 30 seconds or something like that. So I will be back when her head is fully soft. Okay, so now we're going to take the doll out. Get a little towel, by the way, to set the doll on. And you're going to take the doll out of the bag. Be careful touching where the water was because it will be hot. Okay, so now that we have her out, you're basically just going to squeeze right by the eyes. Squeeze honestly all around it. It's not going to be easy to get out, you know? And like that, we have the eye out of the socket. All of that without getting the doll wet, boil washing her hair, or anything. Just in case you want to see, mine looks a little weird. She got like black stuff in her eye. You can see kind of what the hole looks like, what the eye looks like. And basically, over time, the head will soften back up again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick her back in the water and let her set for another like 30 seconds to a minute just to soften the head back up. Okay, so now that I've let her sit in here for a little while longer, remember, be careful taking this bag off. It's going to be hot. Don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so basically now that we have her back out, squeeze the head and just take the eye straight down in. Just remember, this part is going to be very hard. And there we go. I know I didn't show it the best, but you literally just want to keep pushing on this eye. I'm pushing it, moving it around. The eyelashes are always there. You don't want to do it too hard, but you can pull on them, you know, move the eye around a little bit. And yeah, I have successfully taken out and put back in my Ruby's eye. The doll is not wet. I am not burnt. You know, she is perfectly fine. Her hair looks exactly the same as it was before. And yeah, I didn't have to boil her hair or anything, because I know heat tends to mess with this hair sometimes. Also, don't forget, if you do not want to use the hot water method, there's another method using a heating pad with a tutorial made by my friend, My Dolls Are My Models. You can go and check that out too. And I hope everyone had fun seeing the correct way to eye swap Rainbow High dolls. Bye!